Hello, in this video we will talk about build and gear templates and we will learn how to use them. We will start with gear templates. Open your Heroes panel and click on the Equipment tab. If you look above your armor, you will see some tabs. Those are your gear templates. Each character will have 2 free by default, and if you want to unlock more, you can buy them from the gem store. Each tab will save the armor, weapons, and trinkets in the template itself. It will not be in your inventory anymore. And any changes you will do to the gear will be saved in this template as well. So if I wanted to change the mace to X, it will now be saved in that template, and whenever I come back to it, it will be with the X. As an example, my firebrand have 2 sets of gear, one for support, which is the one we are looking at now, and another one for condition. All I have to do is switch tabs. As you can see, this have completely different set of gear, different armor, different weapons, and different trinkets. And this will save plenty of spaces. If you look at your bags in your inventory, you will see that none of the gear used in either of the templates is there. They are saved within the template itself. You can use your armor or weapons or trinkets between multiple templates if you want. Let's say I want to switch my axe here with my mace. This is the same one I'm using on my support build. And as you can see, it is still in the other build. You can have them on both. If you have any piece of gear that is not a part of any template, only then it will be in your inventory. Because I removed my axe from my condition build, and it is not a part of my support build, now I can see it in my inventory. But if I put it back again in my condition build, it is no longer there. Gear templates cannot be shared between players. If you right-click on the tab, you will see Copy Equipment Template. But this cannot be sent to another player. You can only use it for your own character. You cannot even use it on a different character. The only thing this can be useful for is if you have a gear template that will be very similar to a different one with only a couple of minor changes. Then you can copy the template and right-click on a second tab, paste that one in it, and then do whatever changes you want. We also have two other options. Rename, which will enable us to change the name of the template to anything we want. This can be useful so that you know which template is for what purpose. In my case, this one is called Condi, and the other one is named Support. If you hover on the template itself, it will show the name. Next, we will look at Build Templates. Click on the second tab that says Build. If you look above your traits, you will see multiple Build tabs. Each character have 3 for free by default, and if you want more, you can buy from the gem store. Build templates will save your traits and utility skills. Any changes you will do to either will be saved for the next time. For example, I will change to this trait, and next time I come back to the same build template, it will be saved. If you do not want the change to be saved, you can click on this button. Those tabs above are character bound. But if you look on your left side, you will see some other build tabs. Those are account bound. Any build template here will show up anytime you are on any of your characters. This can be useful if you have multiple characters of the same class that you use for different things. For example, if you have a Necro that you use in Woldus' World, and another one for fractals, and another one for farming, and let's say another one for raids. Then, let's say you are using a build that is very similar on all of them at certain situations. All you have to do is save those builds on the left side here, and they will show up on all of your characters. If you want to save any of your builds to be account bound, click on an empty tab while you are on that build. Build templates can be shared between players. If you right-click on the tab, copy build template, now you can paste that link anywhere. You can do that in your guild chat, in party, in squad, in whispers. You can even use it completely outside of Guild Wars 2. You can save it on a website, send it to Discord. You can use it anywhere. When you paste it, it will look something like this. And when you hover on it, it will show you the traits and the skills being used. If you click on it, it will open another panel. This one will be bigger so that you can see all the skills and trait more clearly. It will also give you other options you can use. We have Apply to Build template. This will save the current build that you are looking at into your own build template. This will be applied on whichever tab you are currently on. For example, if you look on my own build template, right now I am on template 1. If I hit apply to build template, this will be saved to tab 1. If I was on tab 2, it would have been saved on that one. This can be very useful because if you have a friend or a guildie or someone that you want to copy their exact build, all you have to do, let them send you their build, and then you can just simply apply to your own tab. Second option is copy build template, which we already explained. Third option is store build template. This will put it in your account bound on the left side here. You can also rename your build template. Just right click and rename. Now that we have learned about both, you can use them to change between builds very quickly. Let's say right now I want to change to my support World vs. World build. All I have to do is choose my build template for the World vs. World support firebrand. Go to my gear 1 and choose the tab that have the support gear in it. Let's say you want to go back to your condition build. Again, click on the tab that have your condition gear in it for the gear template. Go back to your build and choose the tab for the condition one. As you can see, this will save a lot of time and a lot of space.